Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to link Twitch to Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Discord account and then click on this settings icon and then go to streamer mode and make sure streamer mode is disabled, and then go to connections and from here search for Twitch. Once you get it, click on Twitch and now click on authorize. And before doing this, make sure you have successfully signed up or signed in into Twitch account. And then here you can see I successfully connected my Twitch account with my Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.